my first ever sour. Nope, should react. Grams. Stretch and fold. The last stretch and fold. Ready for bulk fermentation. The dough has been bulk fermenting for exactly 6 hours now, and I think it's ready to shape. It's almost overnight. The dough has been cold fermenting for 10 hours now. I'm going to bake it. She's beautiful. A bit gummy. I'm gonna make cookies for my Valentine hampers. Cookies are ready too. Have a lot of package to unbox. Mostly our special Valentine's packages, so I'm really excited to unbox. I already opened some though. This is from Toriden. Let's see. The packaging is really cute. It's like a box of cake. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see this? It's really like cake. So cute. I have the cream, serum. Wait, no, Ampule. We wanted to try this. Their lip essence. Is there anything? Oh, there's another one. It's the mask, sheet mask. Thank you so much, Toriden. So excited to try these. Moving on to the next. It's from Dr. Althea. This is so cute. Look, it's the usual 345 cream and mist, and now they have the mini one. So cute. I also got this card and a handwritten letter. Thank you so much. You know who you are. I have one of this, and it's really good. 345 cream, which is one of my fave skincare creams. Like, oh, so cute. Like a keychain in the shape of a key, and it says Dr. Althea. So cute. And also a gua sha. On to the biggest package. It's from Daisy. I already opened it, but it's so pretty. It's a giant heart. They send me their souffle pots. So pretty. Whoa. I love the shades, especially like the more of the warmer tones. Entropy glosses, the one that you can attach like a keyring. Tool glosses. This is in the shade Split. Such pretty packaging. Okay, let's try it on. Wow, so pretty, so glossy. Thank you so much to all the brands for sending me these. I feel so spoiled this Valentine's, so love you.
Udah aja aku ulang tahun mending kesini. Ini 18.
Oh my god. Squish it. Oh my. Oh. Oh my god. More.
Dia garlic. Balik ya. Kamu yang balik. Semua udah for. Wow. Dua-duanya boleh.
Look how big it is. Flour. Am I doing it right? I don't know. Slash in the middle. Looks so pretty.
Ya, minta omeletnya satu ya. Minta beef burger with fries ya.